Sanbanan Dumelang, hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Malwande, and welcome. If you are new, please click on the red subscribe button, and welcome back if you've been around.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Okay, so this is another episode of putting my place together. I've obviously moved in. It's about 2 days later, and my TakeALot order has arrived. My TakeALot order has arrived. Oh, what a big relief. So we're going to set all of that up together. The first thing I'm going to open is the ring light so that I can use it and do everything else. So here it is. The story here is that I do have a ring light, right? When I moved to Durban, I stored my things at my brother's place, and he lives very far from me. So obviously I had a car at that time. I always thought I'd just drive back and fetch my things when I was ready. Fetch more of my things when I was ready. But now, honestly, it's just too far to Uber for a ring light, because that's the only thing I want that he has there still. So I decided to just get a new one. And besides that, the one I had was already wonky-ish. Some screws had come out. Yes, it was still working. Yes, it was still working. If I had it, I would still continue and make it work. But now we have a new one. All this to say, we have a new one. This is the stand. Ooh. Okay, this one feels sturdy. It actually feels extremely sturdy. Alright. That's fantastic. Now, if I can figure out how to open it. Oh. There we go. And there's this for tightening it in place, I think. Wherever. Okay. And there's these bits. Apparently it stretches up until 210 centimeters. That's way taller than me even. So pretty exciting. I'm about 168, 169. 67, 68, 69, kona lapho nje. Something like that. Okay. Yay, it's tight. Right. Let me open the next part. Tightening it as well. Right. Now we have a stand. And then here is the actual light. This place has really good lighting. So technically, I just wanted a phone stand, but I couldn't get one that is affordable, that's just got this part. This is what I wanted, just this bit for holding my phone. But yeah, so that's how I now also have the light. But honestly, the lighting in here is amazing. The natural light, of course. Yay, like my other one, it has a USB port. So you plug it in using a USB port, which is nice because if you do need a ring light and maybe it's during load shedding, which is a lot of the time now, you can use your power bank. That's what I used to do. Wow, this part is so sturdy. I'm impressed. Okay, now, oh, okay, I don't think this bends. As in you pull it fake. What be me, my face? What be me? 2 seconds. Let me go figure this out because I have a feeling this should bend, but it's not bending right now. Okay, the box doesn't say anything about it bending, and I've tried. It really does not move. But there is this little ball thing here that moves. Kodwa, it's not moving to sit straight. I want it to sit like that, but it just doesn't. Anyway, I'll see when I try use it. I'm looking at the picture on the box. Ubheka ukuthi ngenza zona yini noma sengenza intando yami. Okay. I assume then this comes off. Okay. Oh, look at that height. That is way too high. I don't need it to be that high. Ah, there it is. Touch the ceiling. Now this, I'm excited for. Honey, I've waited all my life for this. Wow. to be the DIY queen that I am. No, I'm joking. Let's assemble. I do like assembling things, so let's assemble.
I begin to
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure.
I just realized that I might have put the legs on the wrong way. Yeah. Let me show you why. So this is what I have at the top right now, and this is meant to go over, but these are the same size. So I must have done something wrong. This is how I've put it. So I think this bottom part is supposed to be here at the top so that this can successfully go over. Oh my goodness. Girl, what is the meaning? Okay, so I took one out from there, right? From there, so that I can test it. And here we are. This does not fit. It is the same size. So I think I was on the right path. I'm so confused. As I actually don't know what's going on. I don't. Okay, I ended up using the body weight to just push it in so that it can just stay, because on the one side it was not going down even with the hammer, and it is so noisy. Then there are these things. There are these which go on the top to basically act as a stopper so that your hangers don't slide off the rack. I must say it is a lot bigger than I thought. It really is a lot bigger. It is massive. Yeah, I thought it would be a little bit smaller, but anyway, here we are. It definitely feels sturdy. I don't think it's gonna fall. It says it can hold up to 35 kgs. I'll give a fair review on that once I have actually used it for a couple of weeks to see if it falls apart or anything. What I will say is that, yeah, the instructions are not the clearest. There's a little sheet of paper that comes with it, but it's not the most clearest thing ever. On top of that, this requires some physical strength, things like pushing this in. I even thought maybe I did it incorrectly, but it just needs a lot of force. So does this. When you read the instructions, it tells you to just push on the wheel. There's a little block here, and then the wheel is separate, so you have to push the block in. It says just push it in with your hand. Truly, it's not that easy. I used a hammer, yeah, because my hand strength is not there. I think a lot of women's hand strength is not there. If you're a guy, maybe you don't need a hammer, but if you're a girl like me, honey, get yourself a hammer. In fact, you should have a toolbox in general, but let's not get into that. But have a hammer, because you will need it. This is okay. They do give you an Allen key for this, so that's all right. And then this is where shoes are supposed to sit. So yeah, we'll give it a try. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's see how it works. I did also get an emergency light for load shedding. Not gonna unbox that. I think this is enough of a video. Thank you so much if you have made it this far. Please drop me a comment. Let me know maybe if you have these items, how they're working out for you. Honestly, the main star of the show was this. This is what I needed the most. Yes, I needed a stove, but this clothing rack, I'm absolutely excited to hang my stuff and to have a place to store my shoes because my place does not come with a built-in cupboard or wardrobe. So I think this will be epic, and even for people who do not have enough space in their built-in cupboards, this might just be a solution. But like I said, I'll give a fair review after a couple of weeks, probably in a vlog or something. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and this is essentially the end of the moving vlog series because it's safe to say I'm kind of done. Things that I'm missing might be done in the new year and probably will just be fitted into a vlog. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next video, whatever it might be. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.